Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change notification tone in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings. Now go to notifications. Now here you can see the option of notification tone. Click on this. From here you can choose your notification tone as you want. Press on OK. That's it. So this is how to change notification tone in WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.